Welcome back to another episode of At Home Utopia. I'm going to show you how to make Southern style collards in the Instant Pot. All the ingredients for this recipe can be found under this video. Okay, you're going to set your Instant Pot to the saute function on medium heat and add the oil. Once heated, add the peppers and cook for 2 minutes. Add the onions and continue cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the salted country ham pieces and saute for about 5 minutes. After adding the salted country ham, use a wooden spoon to break it up and then allow the ham to brown for a few minutes. I let mine go for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring them occasionally. Stir in the chopped garlic and saute for about 30 seconds just until fragrant. Add the water, red pepper flakes, apple cider vinegar, and collards. Press all the collard greens down into the pressure cooker. Secure the lid on the Instant Pot and ensure that the steam release valve is set to sealing. Pressure cook on high for 6 minutes. When the cycle is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally for 25 minutes. After releasing the pressure, remove the lid and switch the Instant Pot back to saute setting on high. Stir the collard greens, breaking up the country ham pieces, and cook for an additional 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Season with additional salt and pepper at the end to taste before serving. Thanks for watching, and remember to live and be well.